Bitcoin's tight daily range, guys, we're talking $21 range. Wow. Pretty damn tight. Daily range right at it as well. Top of the daily range right at the bottom of the weekly. This is wild. We're gonna have to dive into Bitcoin here, see what they want to do. Now, one thing though. Let me go back here real quick. Where's that? Yeah, there's the top of the monthly. Top of the monthly. Now I'm gonna go back again. We're gonna cruise all the way back through last week. Let's move it down. Because these ranges get tested, right? There's the new monthly right there. There is the new monthly. Now, spread this out a little bit and show you. And let me see here. Okay, too much. Hold on, folks. There we go. Just making sure. Yeah, there's. That was a week. There's that little monthly. There she is again. Bam. Because that was the center of the weekly last week. So monthly. And you can, I mean, if you look at the previous week, you know, Bitcoin made a nice move last couple days of that month to get up here, to get up above that monthly range. Now, is this going to get tested? 33.8. Let's see as close as this got. 3.8. I mean, now's a better time than any, right? We're going to do a little workflow here in a minute, show you how I work my madness. Let's see. That looks like that's about as close as it got. What was that? First support level in daily volatility range? Let me take a peek here. Where we're at? 34.1. Yeah, guys, I mean, Jesus. That's still, it's about $700 away. I'm not going for it. So this tight weekly would support the reasoning behind what I'm about to say, that Bitcoin pulls back to around the top of that monthly, if not a little deeper, and then bounces, takes off. Just because you have a trending volatility range on a macro time frame doesn't mean it's one direction. All right, let's get that straight right out of the gate, especially for using these indicators. Understand them. And understand crypto's pretty bullish right now. I still see people talking about a bear market. Bitcoin literally ran from 15K pretty much. We're sitting at 35 right now. This month, yeah, what do we got? We got today 35.3 today. Not bad. Let's go over to this other chart here. Bitcoin. I'm going to pop up on a weekly first, since we did just get the new weekly. Wow. Still hanging up above this fissure. And what is the fissure at? 33,170. Let's take a peek here. Move up a little bit. Where's the center of that monthly at? Look again, a little low, man. Let's see the second weekly support. There you go. Second weekly support, 33.1. That is a fissure on the weekly. Actually, what's that baby at? 32.9. It's about $150 away. Close enough, though. I'm telling you, this is still looking bullish. Still heading into trend. You got these deviation bands to deal with. And this is what I want to see. Is this thing going to trend to the downside? I'm not talking about on the weekly. I'm talking about down through this workflow. Is it going to trend to the downside? Maybe on lower time frames? Or is this going to be a random walk? I'm going to be really interested. And there is a workflow with the entropy, right? There is a workflow. Hey, what are you doing? Where's those little pad ones? I got a joke. I got a dad joke for him.
We just got out of the what do you call it? The bomb shelter.
Oh, brother. Damn. So you just back fresh? Just got in?
Yeah, for now.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, from what I understand, the north is firing up a bit.
Yeah, everyone was saying that it's like to calm down. And I was like, when they say that,
you know it's going to flare up. Whatever the media says, counter trade the media, no matter what they're talking about.
100%, bro. That was a living, live counter trading the trending news.
Ouch.
Yeah.
But I'll tell it here on live stream. What is a giraffe's favorite fruit?
A giraffe's favorite fruit?
Yep.
Apples?
Nectarines.
Nectarines, of course.
Of course. But of course it is. That's right. That's right up their alley, too. That's like straight out of the mouth of babes.
100%. Great one.
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah. Well.
How you doing, man? Everything good by your end?
Yeah, I've been going about 5. Had a lot of stuff to do. That's why I was a little. I was into the work, and I was like, "There's no way I'm making 9 o'clock. No way." And I also said I'm on a ton of caffeine right now, jacked to the literal tits. So you got to bear with me. I might be a little sporadic. Let me see here.
Good to hear from you, man.
Yeah.
Good to hear. Good to see everybody in the
yes
little community.
Yes, sir.
Awake today and doing whatever they're doing.
Take a peek here. Wow. 24.
Dude, that Bitcoin is just moving. I mean, it was what a fantastic past week of ranging action, and even 2 weeks.
100%.
Right? So 2 weeks ago, we had our last pump, and then that whole week was ranging, and then this past week was just like ranging, like perfect.
Yeah, 100%.
And now it's set up for a nice trending week. It's amazing.
I mean, you got the weekly still heading into trend. 5 days in powerful trend down right at the 3SD band. And, geez, the variance check. I mean, all 3 lengths here, which is a powerful part of my workflow is, returns are above the mean. Variance still rising. I love to see that. That's why I'm going to go down through here and see what's flipped. Yeah, these are looking, everything came out of the 99. The last time returns were above the mean was back here, right? In June on this little pump on the 3-day. But right now, let's see, the 9 and the 33 flipped September. Been up ever since, and 99 still has not flipped back. And the 9 and 33 returns are still above the mean, but variance is coming down. Look on the 3-day. You hear what the volatility's cooking here? Look at the volatility on this 3-day. When did we get this candle? Today? Yes, sir. So we just got the new 3-day, and volatility is falling off a cliff. 2400's flat, 981's contracting. So you got the 525 and the 981 contracting, both negatively correlated. And to be honest, let me blow this up. Is that 2400 expanding a little bit? It is. It is expanding a little bit, and it's positively correlated. Gotta love Bitcoin. And trending on the 3-day still. Let's check the 2-day, still trending. And it broke back in the 2SD band. Usually you're going to see a prediction model flip. Not happening right now. And the 99 log MA on the 2-day return variance is still rising. Variance coming down on the other 2 lengths, which is fine. I mean, we're looking good up here. Problem is mean reversion. It's not a problem. I'm just saying for all you mega bulls, you know what? 2-day. Let me see something here real quick. What's the top side? 31.7. Now remember, I'm talking 33.8, right about here. Top side of that monthly range that has not been tested yet. Closest the data set got was about $700 from what I was seeing. But that previous week, Bitcoin worked hard to get up above where the new top of the monthly was going to be, and pretty much range the last 2 days of the month. So anything could happen there, man. I would not be surprised if it didn't get tested. Put it that way. Problem is, at some point, returns will mean revert. And when I see the variance coming down here, it's like, okay, when's the data set catch up? Because price action follows returns. Daily, you're already testing the 9 log MA. Everything's flipped back up again. Variance rising. Look out, man. Let me see something right here on the watch list. What's Dixie doing? Ooh, Dixie. Down at 105, huh? And whoops. Let me get that back on Bitcoin, damn it. Actually, let me see where Dixie's before we continue that on Bitcoin. Let me take a quick peek at Dixie. I just want to see the weekly levels. Yeah. We got the bottom of the weekly, right below the center of the daily, 105.4. Yeah, I can see the dollar rise here. Come up and test this easily. And I would imagine Yeah, way outside the power mean band to the bottom 4 hour. Way outside probably. Let's get some confluence here. Where's the 9? 105.6. That's a little. 105.6 though. That is. Yeah, about the center. About the center of the weekly. A little bit below it. Just want to look at this low time frame. Little workflow here. I want to give me a wave trend right around that area. We got here 105. There you go. I mean, there's the center. So the 90-minute wave trend, which is the 4 hour 9 log MA, right about center of the new weekly range for the dollar. What was this one more time here? Yeah, 105.4. 105.4. I bet you find a wave trend really close. Probably maybe 45. Nah, it's lower probably. Come on, let's see. Ah, pooping out on me. How tricky. Populate for Bilbo. Yeah, there you go. 105.318. Right in here. Top side of the power mean band right now is right at the bottom of the weekly. Now, is this going to come up here, though? And then let's see where this 45, the next couple, if it doesn't do it, this 45-minute candle, how much time's left? It's getting ready to close. If it tests it the next 45-minute candle, I want to see if it rejects from there or if it can close the 45-minute candle above wave trend. This is all important. What were those? Yeah, you got the 9 flipping, 33 flipped. Variance is flat right now. Variance is flat. Returns is still below the mean on the 99 though. Just 33 look like almost at the wave trend. 15 above it, yeah. More so. Let's see this wave trend. It's at 105. Okay. 105.3. There you go. I mean, this on the 15-minute comes up and tests the 9 log MA, which the variance check is saying let's go for it, and we're trending. Look at the volatility as well. Let me let this dog in. Come on, get up in here, girl. Take your time. There you go. Good, Grandma. Take your time, girl. All right, that's all I needed to see. I would really like to see the dollar go up to the center, maybe even top of the weekly. Why do I say that? I want to see Bitcoin test this lower range. That's what I want, to be honest. I'm going to start on the 4 hour. You're at the top side of the 15-minute power mean band, too. Was it 38? Jeez. Let me find something down here. Oh, boy. Variance rising. 33-minute. Trying to find something down around the top of that monthly. They're making it tough. Real tough. Look how tight everything is. I mean, just working up through this this lower time frame up into mids. Jeez. Give me something down here, Bitcoin. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. That's a little low, though. Well, you got Fisher at about 34,150. 33.8 is my target, at least for a test of that monthly range anyway. And then once it does get down there, guys, it's only the 6th. I mean, I've seen monthly ranges go a couple weeks before they get tested. That's why. One more reason why. When you're dealing with volatility, people wonder out there why they get wrecked so much. Guys, this shit is not easy. It gives you. If you don't do that, good luck. You might get some wins in there. But if you have that mindset, I would imagine that you're staying in bad positions as well. And one bad position can wreck all your profits. One trade can wreck all your profits if you let it get away from you. Because let's be honest, I mean, the way the human mind works, the deeper it goes and you've already lost a lot of money. Maybe you got a stop loss somewhere. You're just like, well, I'll let it run. I'll let it run. That's because you don't have leading information. And you're looking at a move like that, and then you realize where everybody else's stops are, that data set's probably going to go there. And I guarantee you're going to see a trend. happening on low time frames if it is running like that. Get out of the position. Just get out of any bad position. How's that? Immediately. If the market turns against you, just get out. Have a point at your entry. And say you're trading a 15-minute. When a 15-minute candle closes above or below your entry, depending on whether you're long or short, get out of the position. Just get out of it. Who cares if it bounces and takes off again? When you have leading information, you're going to see why it did what it did. And it's going to be probably divergence is going to be the main reason. Divergence between price action and returns. So you can always get back into the position if things flip around again. The VEPS, great for getting entries. But volatility correlation breaks all the time on low time frames. You can start going into trend. Things can flip into a random walk. Correlation can break. The trade can turn against you in a heartbeat. That's why just take it at clips. Take your profits, right? Take your profits. I mean, I try to get $100 to $200 scalps on Bitcoin, because you get any lower than that. And that's the reason why I use the variance check on the log MAs. I understand volatility pretty well, that I'm going to get into positions when volatility is low, right? And I'm using a workflow, right? When I'm entering trades, it's like 15, 9, 6, 3, 1. I'm using this workflow right here to get entries, 100%. And the reason why I have my VRE on a 15-minute time frame is because I like to see those 15-minute candles on this low workflow is the most powerful for me when I see where they close at. That's what I want to see. Yeah, you get good entries. You just got to take your profit. You got to take your profit. People can swing trade volatility all day long. Like I just said, you're going to get some winners every once in a while, but predominantly you're going to be a loser. You're not going to have a very good P&L. It's hard to know though, right? Because people don't show their P&L. It's all good. People talk shit. I'm like, nothing happened. Show me a pic. Let me see your P&L. The last person that did that, I forget, it was low 30%. And he's a winner. Teaching people trading psychology. Teaching people trading psychology, and his P&L's in the 30% range. Sounds like you need some psychology. You don't need to be teaching people psychology. Sorry. We all know, at least the the people that have been with us for a long time know who I'm talking about. Let me see here. All right, Bitcoin. 34, 33.8. Wow. So these lengths of power mean are literally thousand points apart from what I'm seeing. 34. To see it come down. Here's the thing though. You close a daily candle inside this 9 log MA, I'm really going to be watching. Look at the daily going back into a random walk. All the time frames above there, I think 2 days up a little bit. Yep, 2 days turning up inside that 2 SD band, but like you start going up 3 day. 3 days starting 2 as well. 5 day, still trending hard. And then the weekly. Just getting into a nice trend. The volatility already stopped contracting, or already stopped expanding. It's already contracting. Was that 84 now? Grade looks like probably closer to, like, I don't know, couple more points higher. But you got that 2400 contracting almost all the way. 3.75 negatively correlated. 981 was contracting. Correlation broke negative. Bitcoin's being pretty damn resilient. Sure, the bears are getting hungry. They always do. Although it looks like shorts on Bitfinex are down today a little bit. People getting smarter. Yeah, I like Bitcoin. Let me see here. I just want that area tested first. My opinion, though, end of the year high. Let's do something here. Right here. Pop this on the monthly. This will be going into December. Let's get some probabilities here. I'm talking like 95.4 maybe on the monthly. Let's see. So that's 47K. Got this first deviation band for one of the RMLRs. I can't believe I haven't changed my colors yet. Always a smart idea because I'm sitting here turning them on and off to know which length it is. 40,000. that's what I was kind of thinking from before. Is that on a monthly? Let me see. Today. Wow. So I don't even need to see where there's a 33 down there. Prediction model flip. BTC's being a bully, man. BTC's being a bully. Come on, give me a macro RMLR. There's 33.2. A little low for my taste. Was that 2-day? Still a little low. Closer to 33. I mean, geez, man, we're talking. What was that again? 33.4. 33.4. Yeah, it's way lower. Gonna have to go all the way to a freaking daily. Give me 33.8. 32.7. Boy, this is dead in between the RMLRs. Of course it is. Good luck swing trading this, boys. Get on the low time frames. Have some fun. Holy moly. Look at the 4 hour. Expand this a little bit. Get a better view. Really? Some deviation bands down here. 33. I'm trying to find a reason for this thing to pull back, boy. It's making it really hard on me. Check this daily one more time. Where was that 33 at? Come on, my little friend. Where are you? Oh, shit. It's way low. Goodness gracious. Yeah, when you see me doing this, I'm trying to find a reason for this thing to pull back to 33.8. I'm having a lot of problems. Like I said before, wouldn't surprise me at all. Wouldn't surprise me at all. That thing does not get a test. Let me see here. Perfect bounce off the RMLR. Which one? Yeah. The 30. And you're back up right now above the 11. So it just looks like on the 90. You are exactly who I thought you were, RMLR. Man, I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right now. Down, 4 hour 90, 45 are doing the exact same thing. That's what I was looking for. What's a first time frame? 33. Yeah, I get you. Gotta hate that warning. It's okay. Let me do something real quick. Boop. Yes, I will. That's sometimes just data feed. There, baby's already on. Got it. So here your BOLO. Okay. Tell you what, when's this 33-minute close? We just got a new 33-minute candle. This 33-minute candle closes up here above, I'm going to say 35, 350, 35, 4, right in that range. Talking about closing back up above RMLR here. This is the first time frame I've came through to say this thing could turn around. This thing's been mean reverting like a champ on these lower time frames. Wow. Okay. That makes me believe it's about to. Yeah, this 33-minute candle, pretty important. Now, of course, we're dead right in the middle on the 9. Let's see at that number. There's 370. These change pretty quick. We'll go down here on the 1 minute. Let's have some fun. Let me... Oh, yeah. Yeah, just in the last, hour and a half, I see about 4 or 5 are great little scalps. That's why the 1 minute's so powerful. 1 minute time frame for the win. People are scared shitless. Yeah, it's dangerous. That's why you got to get out of bad positions, man. Once you get into flow, You'll impress yourself. You got to get in the flow, though. Got to get in the flow. Interesting. Yeah, there's been a lot of great moves. Nice little scalps. See something here. Talking about 213. Yeah, I mean, there's about 240. Right around $100 is always my target. 349.19. Yeah, boom, right on it. $100. All right. You look one more time. You know what? The Bitcoin on this monthly. Let's scale this down. Where are you, baby? Holy mercy. There you are. Okie dokie. Jesus. Yeah, now I got to turn those back off. Although I'm probably going to have to get them back on just because. Go over to the traditional market. Not going to forget about you. Got to go check out gold. Boom. Okay. We got down here 18.9. Wow. I mean, there's such a spread. I think we talked about this the end of the week. On the month, you got the top RMLR at about 102K. Bottom one's at 18.6. That's on a monthly. That is on a monthly. Yeah. Low length down here. I mean, you got the 33 power mean on the monthly as well. About 37K. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, if this thing does want to make a 1SD move, we're talking over 40. What is it? 41.2. 40,729 is 95 for Laplace. Or wait a minute. No, 95 for Laplace, 47. Is that 33 at again? Yeah, I'm thinking anywhere in between. I mean, we got 2 full months pretty much. I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this thing at the end of the year closing over 40K. Closing over 40K. Obviously, when we go into December, especially we have a nice move here. Close above the 33 this month. I mean, that's, 37K. We're a couple grand away. Close this monthly above there. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this thing last month just pump. Hell, it could even go higher. We're going to need those probabilities, though. Going to need those probabilities. Even on the monthly, what's the bottom side of the 68.3? 32K. Top side's 36,273. Yeah. Damn. Got a $4,200 68.3 Laplace range on the monthly. So there's a lot of room to move here. A lot of room to move. And we're above that Fisher. This thing's got plenty of time. As these weeklies close, this power mean band will start turning up. You get up above, you get this power mean band. Reverse wave trend. All 3 log MAs above Fisher. Look out. Look out. That's what I'm kind of seeing here because it is a weekly. I would imagine it's going to turn up harder. Fisher's probably going to lose a little steam to the downside. That cross will probably be happening around 31. I'm excited. See how this plays out. Yes, I am. Z-scores. Returns oscillator. Entropy.
Sorry about that.
You good?
No, we just, crazy.
Yeah, man. You're fine. Did you have to run out again?
Bro, I'm in and out all the time right now.
God. Oh, man.
So if I just suddenly disappear, that's why.
Yeah. No, I get it. I'm sitting here on a 21-day on Bitcoin. This thing just looks bullish as all get out. I mean, obviously we can Can't get actually the entropy part. We got entropy percentile, and is that DLP I got? Pretty sure I got the DLP. Yeah, got the DLP. I mean, look at the DLP. Look at entropy percentile. Look at the deviation bands. Because that entropy percentile loves to cap out at by him. Sometimes it cuts a little short, but let's see here. When's this 21 day? Got it October 22nd. Yeah, this thing's still got a good week. Almost at the top side of the power mean band is at what? 37,228. There you go. This thing closes the month up here by the top side of the power mean band on the 21 day. I like it. Indeed. Look at the volatility. Got the 981 starting to expand. Everything's positively correlated. Grades heading up. Had a nice bounce off of the 9 and 33 log MA cross. There, the 9's getting ready to cross reverse wave trend right now. 20 when this thing closes in about a week. Actually, how much time's I got? Yeah, it's not going to tell us. 33 will be real close, because I would imagine with this pump, this thing's going to turn up. I mean, this is a 21 day. Things happen slow, but I could definitely see that happening. Got a DLP. Yeah, DLP coming back down to him. Yeah, I haven't used the line on the top side. I was like, what the heck? Because I don't have enough room on my chart for the DLP. That's why this Swiss is so awesome. Am I right? Man, oh man. Just throw it right on there. See how it interacts with entropy percentile. All right, let's check out gold. Yeehaw. I have no clue what gold is doing. Whoops. Come on now. There we go. 1984, huh? $8. Oh, I still got my laughy face from last Friday when it pump and dumped right there. Yeehaw! Go gold. Below the weekly. Interesting. That's exactly what was happening, man. This thing's pumping up. Get up above the new weekly. Closed above the new weekly. I mean, look at the first candle. Look at the first candle when gold opened up. Comes down since 2 wicks into the 1 SD on the 4-hour candle. Rips it up to right into the daily range. Right down to the first support on the daily volatility range. Had a little issue with the bottom side of the 68.3. Needed one more kick up. But yeah, this thing hasn't been able to get back up in the weekly. Interesting. And remember, gold never tested the top of its monthly. It came a lot closer in Bitcoin, though. Within $10. Remember, it's down there at 1960. Where was that at? There it is. Yeah, got down to that first weekly support. That's all gold gave up. Got within $10. Gold's been moving, too. Could easily come down and test this. Just like Bitcoin, I mean. We do have that untested range. 84, huh? And considering it, especially today, you got a tight daily too. We could easily see 95 for Laplace. I would do it too, man. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Show them the power of the VEPS, man. Just rip right down here. Test the top of the monthly. 95.4% chance. The daily candle does not close below that monthly range, which is even more powerful. I actually like that. Let's see what supports that. Come on here. Start on the weekly. 5 day. Getting ready to cross the zero mean. No div though. No div. Clean right now. But yeah, new week starting right at the zero mean on the 5 day. DLP starting to rise. Prediction models of the downside. It's going to lead me to believe this contraction continues. When do we get this? Yeah. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's freaking traditional markets. We just got the new 5-day. It's not like crypto, and that baby's just continuous market. You always got to check. I'm looking for gold. You gonna have a nice little pullback? There's a daily. Was that Fisher? 48.50. Yeah, I can see that all day. All day. Especially, right? The daily found support on that reverse Fisher, then found support on the 9 log MA last 2 days of last week. Tell you what right now, man. If gold doesn't pull back up, close above like 1988 and a quarter, close back up above that 9 log MA, look out. The 9 and the 33 returns are below the mean. Variance is rising. Yeah, this monthly range could get tested today, to be honest. Let's see what the 4 hour is saying. And if we have some confluence down here, right at it. Fisher, 1963, 1956. Get a 4 hour. We got 3 hours and 23 minutes. Send a wick down into the middle right here. Close up above. No problem. Because then you're looking to mean revert back up. So 90 minutes. See if we got something, some more. Nope, you're already below. Yeah, this thing enough to spill out. E3 was at 99. Yeah, nothing here. It was a log amazing. I'm telling you, man. The daily 9 and 33, the variance has definitely flipped. Definitely flipped. And volatility is low. Correlation, man. That's the thing. You see this thing turning. It's starting to roll over a little bit. You got the 2400 contracting positively correlated, 981 expanding negative. You hearing me, volatility traders? What's going on gold here? Tony, where are you? We started an hour late. Usually he's in here wanting to know about gold. Watch the stream, my friend. Let's see. Yeah, let's continue down. I looked at the 90, at the 45. Yeah, blow everything. Yeah, everything's slow. Wave trend. See that 45 one more time? Yeah, wave trend already crossed down the Fisher. Sending wicks up into it. Yeah. I'm seeing the exact opposite on gold. Remember, gold was running. Bitcoin was falling back the end of last week. A little bit. I'm going to be a bit surprised to see gold hit that target today. From what this workflow is showing. Doesn't look, definitely looks intraday bearish. Trending. It's falling right now. Let me see. 33 trending? No. 15 is I can work right back up. Let's see how far this 9's got into it. Yeah, it's already still trending. Wow. Power mean band rejecting off Fisher too, turning back down. But these low time frames, yeah, you're far out. I mean, I can see this thing pull up and test some of these areas before it continues down further. All right, gold. 83, huh? Woo! Skinny skin. Oh, it's on a month. No. 5 day. Let's freaking go. It's pretty low. 1922. Come here, buddy. Where you at? And this is some pretty advanced stuff right here. So if you're watching the stream, hang with us. You don't have to understand this right now. There's other things to learn first. But trust me, I understand it. All right. People that have been using this for a while now understand it. Let's see. I'm looking at. Damn, still too low. What's that, 3 day?
It's the good stuff right there. That's the juice.
Dude, it is the juice.
That is the juice.
1801. I'll tell you what, macro time frames, mean reversion is, we're looking at literally back down 1900. Low 19s. Low 19s. I'm with you though, gold bulls. It's fine. I'm looking for that 1960 area. You're already below here though. Wow. Yeah, this thing's definitely looks like it's getting ready to pull back. What is that? Let me see something here. Damn it. You're hanging on. Barely hanging on, aren't you? Yeah, there you are. Right at it. A little bit above it. A little bit above it. We're talking 60 cents. 60 cents above the bottom RMLR. That's on the 45. The daily. One more time. Yeah. There's a lot down there around 1915. But I don't know. Gold seems pretty bullish too, man. These low bands at. Where, I mean, the bottom of the 30. Third standard deviation band around the 30 length RMLR is right at top of the monthly range. Untested monthly range. Window. Dixie. Old Dixie. Dixie pops. Thing's going to have to move, though. What's just going on here? Yeah, there you go. Boil. Boil down almost 10% today. Man, this thing is just a... You nail down Boil. You want a life study? Study Boil. Try to nail down its tendencies. Intraday trade that bad boy. Let me see. What we got working here? Because that thing flies around. Jesus, end phase still dropping. 76. I think it picked it up a little bit at the end of last week, but yeah, it's right back down, giving up 5% on the day. There is a problem there. Yeah. And there's Roku, right? Out of the gate, down 3% today. I know Earth Bear wanted to short that sucker. 10-year up now. That thing got beat up. It was down like 4.4 or something. It was almost at 5%. Almost at 5%. Back up 4 point. What was it? Where are you? Oh, shit. Yeah, 4.63. Nice. Yeah, let's actually pop over on that bad boy for Earth Bear. I know we wanted to short it. Wonder if he did. Where you at, Roku? Oh, shit. There you are. Where's the weekly? Wow, man. Huh? No. Yeah, I know it was. He wanted to do it up here. I mean, you're sitting at the 5th standard deviation on that earnings play. I've been watching a lot of these earnings. I would highly suggest not looking at the earnings report and looking at leading information if you want to get a good trade. Because they've been just handing people their asses lately. A lot of earnings plays. People are getting handled. Yeah, top of $80. 2 more points. 2 more points. Where is that? Yeah, I mean, just that thing gapped right up through the monthly. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to see Roku back down. Back down at that monthly range, though. Indeed. This looks like the beginnings. I bet we're going to see some nasty old divergence. Let's see. Where you at, Roku? Whoa. Here you are. No. DLP coming back down. And volatility's still strong. So Fisher at. Yikes. Yeah, I'm going straight to a daily. Coming back down. God, the only thing this thing's doing is setting up hidden bull right now. Z-scores are down, though. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. The way this looks, I'm kind of even surprised this is down today. We're about to find out why. Wow. Hidden bull in the 4 hour too, man, from a lot of different points. Trend's finally turning up. Yeah, that 4 hour trend, man, that thing was rocking. And so if you're, I mean, just part of a workflow, you see that 4 hour turn up right there, especially if, say you're in an options position, maybe expiration's still not even here yet. Guys, hello. When you see a 4 hour trend turn up like that and pull back up inside the deviation bands, just boom, take your profit, whatever it's serving up. Whatever it's serving up. You can see as soon as it happened, it was the top. You lost a little bit of it. The variance in the returns oscillator, I don't know if this thing's done. I don't know if it's gone. I mean, come back, couple bucks, test the top of that weekly range. Thing could run again. There's no reason for it to pull back. It's monthly. Definitely got tested. Let's see on this pullback what time frame this thing. It's not going to be 40. No, 33. No, probably not even the top side of the power mean band. Yeah, you're inside. There we go, 73, a little low. I'm looking at the 15. Where's this wave trend? Did it get tested yet? Pretty damn close. I bet it's right at the top of the new weekly. Hello, it is. What is it exactly? 80.28. Pretty much right at it. 1 SD to the downside. This thing does a 1 SD move. I could actually see it bounce out. Might get front ran. It was a good area though. Boop. I mean, right on top of each other pretty much. Then a few cents, like a dime or something. Yeah, the 9 and 33 too. Variance still rising. Got contraction going on too, positively correlated. DLP rising. Prediction model of the downside. I miss the old DLP. I'm glad I put it back on. Shit's never boring. Roku doing its thing. Let's take a peek at Netflix was partying. You want to party, Netflix? I'm going to watch you tonight. Monday night, Netflix and chill night. I already worked 5 to literally right before the stream. Now I got to do a bunch of outdoor work. Jesus. I mean, my entire property is just one big leaf. I got to fire up the leaf blower, clean the roofs off. I burned all my cardboard yesterday, 3 hours. Had no idea I had that many Chewies boxes. Dude, I had like 45, 50 Chewies boxes just stacked up. Good Lord. One more reason to get out from behind the monitors. Go touch grass.
You mean like the dog snacks, Chewies?
Yeah. They're little treat boxes and dog food boxes. And they just stack up, man. They just stack up.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Becker taking a nap, cutie girl. Oh. Yeah, I had I'll put that in general. Man, I forgot I even had this freaking pic. This is when they were young. They were like 2 years old. 2 years old. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, man, right?
Yeah. It's better than that. Dog is.
Where the hell is that pic at? Just looking at it earlier. It's scammed. No, it's in here.
Dog is.
My good dogs.
Yeah.
Why we let Netflix
Yeah, if you're
simmer.
watching this on TradingView and you haven't clicked that rocket, we're not really sure what it does, but it's fun when you click it, so please click it. We like it.
Yeah, hit the rocket icon. It is definitely cool.
Yeah.
I have no clue what it does, but I mean, rockets are cool. So why would you not
I
want
mean,
to hit a
rockets
rocket
are cool.
icon?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a
Okay,
minute.
it depends what kind of rocket. I can tell you, there's some kind of rockets that are not that big.
Yeah, I was about to say, sorry. Not all rockets are cool.
Yeah.
What a sick, fucking twisted world we live in.
But the ones that are meant to go into space and stuff, to do science stuff, I like those.
Yes.
And also the ones that are on TradingView. I like the ones on TradingView.
Yeah, behind the scenes, me and Yash had a good little conversation about the universe. I didn't even never realize it because I don't study a lot of that stuff. But that James Webb Telescope, yeah, they're figuring out everything's a lie. Not a lie, just humans have no idea what the hell's
So,
really going on.
yeah, we're just learning more stuff.
Yeah, we're just learning, and it's
We're just disproving more of the theories, which is the whole purpose of science anyway. It's like
when you got me.
disprove everything you think, so that eventually all you're left with is what can be true. That's all. That's the purpose, right? So
Yeah,
that's the beauty of it, and it's amazing. Like they use scientific development like a telescope
yeah,
to go and find out that a lot of the other scientific developments we've had are incorrect or slightly mathematically not well calculated or what. I love how science can be used to find out more about science
then you
and also
figure
disprove a lot of the incorrect theories from the past. It's just awesome.
then you just realize the universe is on a literal macro time frame, just mean
Yeah,
reversion.
yeah. It's expanding and contracting at the same time. It's just
Everything is
messing with
mean
everybody.
reverting.
Yeah.
Pretty wild.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was that
Yeah.
one dude, uh the Japanese guy,
Yeah.
What the hell's his
Yeah. Yeah.
name?
Yeah. Michio Kaku.
Yes, Akaku or whatever. Yeah, yeah. It
Yeah.
was a great little talk. And you can just tell him himself. He's just like, you can see the look on his face. He's like, yeah, we really don't know anything, but this is what we're
Right.
finding out now.
Right.
It's pretty
Right. Right.
wild.
I mean, that's yeah. When you think about it, like we've only been in space,
Yeah,
like sending things into space, less than 100 years. Right. That's
right.
kind of amazing. Right. The first man-made object sent into space was like in the 1950s.
Yeah, and here we
So
are.
it's kind of incredible. We're like not even 75 years since then. So of course there's a ton to still learn. It's incredible. Like, and we've already sent telescopes that can see stars. That are sending light from billions. We can see light from stars that were sent billions of years ago. I mean, it's just amazing. And we can see at the same time like the expansion and the contraction
Yeah,
happening at the same time. Like, wait, what? Yeah, yes. But like I said, like I remember in high school learning about this. I had this like you know amazing physics teacher, and he was teaching us about this stuff, and he was teaching us about all these wacky theories that were out there on the edge. And one of them was the theory of expansion and contraction. And one theory of the theory of expansion and contraction is that it expands and then it contracts, and then it contracts maybe more and then expands again, or just expands again, just goes back and forth like a spring. And then some people who were really time were saying no, they're happening at the same time, just in different places, or even in the same place. And people were thinking you guys are totally nuts, but it turns out no, they're not, right? But yeah,
right.
yeah, it's amazing. You can use math to show it, and telescopes can verify it. It's kind of like a blockchain, but in outer space.
Right.
Yeah, a ledger of the atoms in space. Entropy on a universal scale, on a cosmological scale.
Space
Really
Ghost.
amazing. Really amazing.
Very.
I find that stuff out of this world. I mean, pardon the pun.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, baby.
Wow was right.
A rocket icon.
It's got Netflix above its
Uh,
new weekly. Beautiful. All these stocks too, man. They all tested their ranges, from what I remember. Oh yeah. Um, and Netflix looks good. Everything's really close to the top of the monthly too. Let's look at. Let's double check that. Meta. Not that I care too much. Meta's running a little bit though. How's this thing worth that much? Definitely weekly down here, 313 area. Got it. It's Microsoft. They all worked hard to get up above their new month or new weeklies too last week. Boop, boop, boop. But now you got to test these areas. My opinion. Let me look at Apple. What you doing, Apple? Let's rebound. Where's that weekly? Gonna have a freaking 75.4 top of the weekly. I'm gonna have a reversal before the close. I don't know about that. Though you're already up there to the, I mean, you jump from the top of the daily all the way to the second resistance level. Sitting right at the daily 1SD. So right now, Apple 68.3% chance. Apple found its high for the day. We'll find out. Especially when you got an untested weekly down here. About 3.5 points or so. What is it exactly? Yeah, 175.3. Yeah, about 3 points. Silver getting. Let me see silver real quick. Whee! A little sucker. Friday pumps up to make sure what? It opens up above the weekly. Then look, it was finding support on the center. Now it's below the bottom. Already did a 68.3 center of the daily. Let's see what these 15-minute candles do. Silver looking weak, man. Gold looks strong. Gold needs to pull back, test some ranges, but yeah, silver. Yeeks. Let me see something here. Pop silver over here. Where are you, buddy? No, we will be going up here. Ooh, right in between Wave Trend and Fisher, huh? That's how you're going to play it? Yep. Sitting a Wave Trend right now. Close the weekly below here. Close the weekly below this Wave Trend, and let's see this 99. 22.6. It's not too far down, but above Wave Trend on the daily. Interesting. Just hitting the major time frames real quick. Where are all these wicks into? Nothing. At least not on the 4 hour. Oh, they're somewhere. Yeah, I found support on the Fisher. Maybe I'm wrong. It's 4 hour. What was that daily? Yeah. 23.6. Got work to do, though, on the daily. You got to get this power mean band, all the log MAs up above Fisher. Until all that happens on the daily. Yeah, man. Unless your macros are already above, and this is just a little quick pullback, I mean, you got to get back up above here. I'm not just talking about the data set. I'm talking about the entire power mean band. Get up. Like that. See? Daily needs to do it. Till then, we got Wave Trend right here. A little under 23. Real close. About a dime. It's looking like, yeah, 23.04 to 23 or 22.95. Maybe a little lower. No, 22.95. 9 cents. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Wind's picking up. Maybe I'm not blowing leaves today. I mean, are you literally shitting me? Hard to blow leaves when there's a 20-mile-an-hour wind. All right. Yeah, 90-minute wave trends right at 23. We're getting ready. Yeah, no telling, man. I mean, this wave trend was coming up to the Fisher on the 90-minute. This baby's charging down to have a little meet and greet. Silver's about to say, hello.
Yeah.
Right to wave trend? Or is it going to find support? I mean, that is the 33. It's at the 33 log MA. You got a pile right here. 33 log MA, wave trend, and Fisher. 99's down here at 22.96. But the way this looks, power mean band, 22.89. Interesting. Where's this at on the 45? Probably above. I don't know. I got Fisher down here at 22.86. Bottom of the power mean band right now, though. You have definitely had full mean reversion from this little pump here. Sideways, tested the top again, and whoop! Sitting a little bit below 99 log MA and right at the bottom side of that power mean band. Hey there, good morning. I was over on there. Yeah, all good. Hopefully you heard the little gold ramble. We'll see where it closes today. But overall, yeah, I mean, I see 1960 getting tested and then go. Barring the dollar just having a fit, act like a little child, go running up to like 106 again or something. But if that dollar pulls back, yes, sir, it will run again. It's on the 45. It's bottom side of the power mean band. So low time frame algos are like, let's kick us back up, make a little money. It's at the 99 too. Where's a 15-minute? Whee! You can get a little rip. People don't take the profit, rip it back, take it back from them, then pull right back up. Now here you are again. Everything's getting ready to break down here on the 15-minute. Oh, silver. Silver looks like it wants to, I already said right when I started looking at it, maybe right back. Is that top of the monthly? It is. Be a bit surprised. Wouldn't be a bit surprised. It's good though. Problem is you need some daily volatility ranges up above the weekly. You start walking them down these first couple days and you'll definitely be into this monthly. See, behooves these bulls. Close today above the top of the weekly. Let's just say 23.16. Would be even better to close around the top side of the 68.3 Laplace. Almost 23.3, 23.2829. Going right back over to Dixie. Let's try to get a good read. I'm telling you, man. Dixie's below, and the weekly's populating below the monthly. Here we go. Dixie hits these lower levels. We're gonna have a party time. Everything, traditional markets, crypto, everybody. What am I doing? I need this on Dixie, not SPY. What is SPY doing? Pretty even, up 0.2. Got it. Yeah, look at the dollar on the 15. Oh boy. Come on, you worthless piece of paper. Well, you tried. Don't give up all that work. I mean, the power mean band's crossing up on the 15-minute. Now, when I say that, crossing up the reverse Fisher. Let me see where this. Damn, 9-minute giving it all up. Giving it up. Below wave trend. Do not want to close below the wave trend. Well, everything's starting to flip around. These log MAs are coming in. Although, what is that? 33 is still below the mean. So is the 9, but variance is coming back down. It's actually rising on the 33. And that's a 99 stuck in there too. Got it. Go dollar. Pump our bags. Let the dollar pump our bags. Boil almost down 10%, huh? Oh boy, that thing is just all over the freaking place, man. Become a professional boil trader. I mean, you shitting me right now? Guys, I'm telling you, man. This thing's a beast. This thing is an intraday beast. If you can tame this tiger, like Mike Tyson, you good. You are real good. Sure everybody would agree. All you got to do is look at the chart. Crying out loud. Where's this new weekly? Up here, huh? Jesus, gapped right through it too. It's not like you opened up below. You got to go back up and test. This thing just said, I'm the fruck out of here, bro, boys. It's at the top of the monthly right there. Top of the monthly. No, it's the bottom, sorry. Gap down, Jesus. And you're at what? 2 SD right now. So yeah, I mean, there's a 95.4% chance. And this is a great asset to play the probabilities on. Instrument. 95.4% chance I found the low for the day. Would it shock me at all if this thing just hangs out down here around the 95.4 and then tomorrow gaps right back up? I mean, this thing just reverses like a monster. I've traded it a few times, options. Coinbase, what's Coinbase doing? Holding strong, 87.9. Let's see, new weekly, need to be tested. Come on, Bitcoin, bring Coinbase down there too. And I'm talking about Bitcoin needs to test the top of its monthly. No, I mean Bitcoin does. Coinbase rip right through it. But top of the weekly, oh, Coinbase, what is that? 83.9. I think it's moving though, be honest. Yeah. Quick look at SPY. What does this thing do? Yeah, boy, this thing just flat as a monkey. Worked hard throughout the week to get up above it. But yeah, even SPY, 431.2. I'm feeling though, dollars on the struggle bus. This will, especially these traditional markets, I see this thing getting tested. Maybe tomorrow. We're going to start, regular time tomorrow, and we'll get a good look at it. Oil too, man. I'm going to watch that thing. I'm going to watch that thing. Did I even make a trade last week? Remember I told you I wasn't going to trade? I think I made one. Remember, we got a halving coming up too. One of the fundamentals I definitely pay attention to when it comes to Bitcoin. The news, I could give a shit less. The halving, I definitely care about. And if you understand cryptocurrency, you get it. You get it. That's why I don't buy gold and I buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a supply cap. And Bitcoin's supply cap is a lot less than what is shown because people don't understand what it means to be your own bank. And a lot of people have lost their private keys. There are Bitcoins just lost on the blockchain, man. Lost on the blockchain. A few million from what I understand. And old Satoshi got 1 million locked up in the wallets. So yeah, man. So if you got a 21 million supply cap, there might only be 17 when it all said and done. And what?
2140,
2140, something like that.
I mean, by then we don't know exactly how fast the power of computer will expand in the next 100 years, but assuming it continues to grow by leaps and bounds, it could be actually shorter than that, right?
Let me look at my timeline. Yep, 2140. I am back as a praying mantis, apparently.
There you go.
Woo! I've always wanted to be a praying mantis. I'll tell you what, man. If you've ever seen one of them damn things in action, dude, they kill a lot of shit that's 10 times their size.
I mean, if you're a praying mantis and you have a Bitcoin in your wallet, you're set for.
I'm coming back. Praying mantis full of Bitcoin. Nice. I'm going to try to take over the world in 2140. We'll see. 2140. I don't even know if humans will still be inhabiting this place the way it's going. I mean, you got to laugh at the Matrix sometimes. It's just, what the hell is happening right now? World's a trip. World is a trip. Let's see here. Yeah, and I wasn't gonna run this thing 2 hours anyway. I was only gonna do an hour. Just do a little Bitcoin love, gold love. I checked out silver, looked at some ranges on, a few of the big stocks. Dollar definitely looks like it's, what I still didn't do. Hold on there. You put this back on the dollar. Oh, we're still on it. All right, baby. Ring. Yeah, all that bear. Turning back up right now, though. Turning back up. Thing is, this thing's starting to trend. DLP is freaking breaking out. You know what else I wanted? I know if Jeff is listening. Throw some deviation. Can we throw some topside deviation bands on the variance? I don't even know if there's anything there. Just want to see. I mean, I could probably figure out a way to. Could I figure out a way to overlay? No, I couldn't. That would be interesting to see. Some deviation bands, just to see if there's something there. Especially for outliers. That's what I really want it for. See where these outliers are into. Got low time frames. I could just be woohoo, front run them. Especially on those powerful outliers. What are they? Fat tail events. I want to see exactly where they're going. Yeah, good stuff. The hell, wind kicked down. Maybe I can't go blow some damn leaf. Yeah, we'll, what is this? Wow. Cyberfile. The IRS already tried and failed to create its own tax preparation program. Oh my God. There's so much government waste, bunch of knuckleheads. Oh, I see you got a message here in the chat. What are we doing? Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it'd be just like, I mean, like we have the bands like on top side of the Swiss. Whatever's clever. Hell, we can probably just pull that code right over, huh? Probably not that hard. Probably not that hard. Says the one-eyed guy that got a D- in Algebra 2. Yes. Let's go. Just know the universe is expanding and contracting at the same time. We are all just here in the middle of it. Somehow we let a bunch of devils up into this realm.
Wow.
Yeah. Got to get them out. Jesus. Need some peace. Need some peace.
No.
Yeah, let's head out of here. Like I said, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, folks. Show, and we'll do a nice 2-hour stream. Get deeper in. But like I said, we did all the majors, everything we needed to take a look at. Guys, thanks for the support in the Discord. It was, when we're off like this on the normal starting time, it's usually not that big. Got support today though. Trading View, if you're watching, hit that rocket icon. Not all rockets are good, but this one is. We've come to that conclusion. A lot of rockets are bad. All right, wherever you live out on this beautiful big blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. Let's all pray for peace. Let's go. See you tomorrow morning, boys. Pump it. Yeah.